Welcome back everyone to our channel. Today we are going to show you GDlite solar lighting kit set full review video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for regular updates of such coolest products. Now we're gonna show you what's inside this box and how it works. It has beautiful box outside and you can see all the details on cover. See here, everything is written here. You can see all the details. And next side you can see further details. It is based inverter mini solar lighting kit system, which is very useful for your home. Now we're gonna open this and you can see here this is mini inverter. It works as a inverter and light also, multifunctional. And this is solar panel. It is used to charge the inverter. You can charge from sunlight also, and you can charge through electricity also. And it has a charger for different types of mobile, which you can use to charge your mobile. You can use your own cable to charge your mobile also. And inside the box it has 3 lights, which you can use to light up your room, light up your home. This is all inside the box. You can have all this if you purchase this. And now we're gonna talk about its functions, how it works. You can see back side of the inverter, on off button, switch button, and below that you can also see button for light. Inverter has light on front side. You can use this light as a rechargeable torch light. And below that it has USB port. Through this you can charge your mobiles. You can use your own USB cable also. And below that there is a port for solar panel. You can use this port to charge your inverter through solar panel. And below that you can see port for lights. There is 3 ports for 3 lights. You can use it for light up your room. This is how it works. This is very useful product for your room. And if you want to buy this product, you can go to our website and easily buy it. And the best thing is that you can charge this inverter through electricity also. Solar panel and electricity, both ways are available. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to have regular updates of such coolest products on global stores. Thank you so much for watching.